What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel again. So today we got a quick install on a belt and a idler pulley for my Jaguar XF. As you can see, I've been driving it around. It runs pretty good after the new supercharger. So this time I'm gonna be upgrading the belt with a Gator belt. You might have seen it on my previous video, but this is the part number. If you want your XF, XK to run a Gator belt, this is what you're gonna need. So this is the part number. It's the green Gator belt. As you see, this is the part number for the pulley. I spent a lot of time and money looking for the pulley and the belt, trying to figure out which one was gonna fit, and here it is. So this is how the original one looks like. I took the intake off just so you guys could see better, but this is how the old OEM belt looks like. I really don't like the look of it, to be honest. And that's the pulley that we're gonna change right here. Here's something that I wanted to show you guys. There was like a little hose coming off the water pump here, and it broke off when I was swapping the supercharger. So what I did is I went to Harbor Freight and I bought this right here. I think it's called Quick Steel, and this is the hose that I'm talking about. So it used to go right here, and then it used to go into this hose right here. It goes into the reservoir. So yeah, this is what I did, and never after that, never had any leaks, no issues, nothing. So one more thing that I wanted to show you is I bypassed the throttle body, the coolant that goes into the throttle body. So before, I used to come off this hose right here, down into the throttle body, out of the throttle body, and back into the engine. Now it just goes from here straight back into the engine. So I guess the throttle body is now running cooler, which means lower temperatures, but probably not gonna get any power out of it. But it doesn't cost anything to do it. What else? And I guess that's it. So yeah, guys, let's go ahead and start the install on this Gator belt and pulley. I got this belt from eBay. There's a part number again. Should be able to get it, no problem. Go Google, Amazon, eBay. The pulley, I got this pulley at AutoZone. Here's the part number again, 231157. So this right here, this is a tensioner, and you're gonna need one of these to be able to get the belt off. All right, guys, so got the belt off the pulleys. Like I said, you just gotta loosen up this tensioner, and it's like changing a serpentine belt. If you don't know how to change your serpentine belt, you probably should not be working on your own car. It's really easy, to be honest. So there's the belt right there. Now we're gonna loosen up the pulley, take the pulley off. So this is the bolt that we're gonna remove, and that's a 15 millimeter. It's a 15 millimeter bolt. So let me go ahead and bring my tools. All right, so got the bolt loose. This is the 15 millimeter. Look how nice the LSA pulley looks. Maybe down in the future I'll try a smaller pulley. I just gotta remove the bolts. I think it's like 12 bolts, and it comes off. I don't need any pulley pullers or anything. It comes off really easy. This brand, they have a lot of different sizes, so I'll probably try different sizes, see how the car does, and keep that one that's better for mine. So here's the pulley, guys. This is the OEM pulley. So you're not gonna need the pulley no more. You can put it away. But this is what you're gonna need right here. This bolt. Make sure you have this too. Make sure it doesn't stay in the pulley, because you're gonna need it. Let me open my new pulley. So this is the new pulley. This one's smooth and it doesn't have any grooves like the old one, which is gonna be perfect for our new belt. Okay, so your bolt should go in through the new pulley, no problem. Supposed to spin freely. And now you're just gonna put it back. All right, guys, so once you have the pulley nice and tight, see how smooth it is. Okay, so now it's time for the belt. Like I said, it's really easy. It's like doing a serpentine belt. So I'm gonna put it on and I'll be back when it's all installed. Alright guys, so this is how it looks with the new pulley and the new Gator belt. Looks really nice, to be honest. Let me clean it up real quick. It totally changes the look, especially with the grip tech pulley. Look at that. Looks really good. So yeah, it's nice and tight. It's like the factory OEM. And the good thing is you don't have to change anything, no tensioners, nothing. All you gotta do is get your green belt and the pulley, the part number that I showed you guys. It's like around $28 for the pulley, and the belt is like $50, so you'll end up spending around $80 to $100, and it is worth it, to be honest. It literally changes the look on your engine bay. Let me go ahead and start the car so you guys can see that it does work. No issues, nothing.